In this tutorial, I will show you how you as a user can use the DeepL translation feature to translate text content into different languages to help you create multilingual content. The Empower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Empower, and in some cases already in older Empower versions. DeepL is one of two features that Empower provides for translating slides and presentations. The other feature is the translation group, which I would like to briefly explain to you to distinguish it from DeepL. If a slide or presentation is already available in two languages, then a translation group can be created in the Empower library, which means that the two contents that are available in two different languages are linked together. For example, you can then insert the identical slide that is available in the translation group into the presentation in the other language with just a few clicks via the Translate button in the Transform group. For more information on translation groups, you can find the tutorials on YouTube or in the Help Center. First of all, a short note. In order to use the DeepL integration, this feature must have been set up by your admin. Your company needs to pay fees for its use, which are billed externally to DeepL. Therefore, you may have a fixed character budget for translating content via DeepL for a certain period of time. If this character budget is used up, a warning will appear when clicking on the Translate button. To use the DeepL integration, navigate to the Transform group in the Empower ribbon and click on the Translate button, which will open a window. Here, you can select the desired translation language. You also have other translation options. If you select the option Use translations from the library, in the case of an existing translation group, the existing translation from the library will be used instead of a machine translation by DeepL. If a slide is translated with the Use translation from the library option, but is not assigned to a translation group, the system uses DeepL as a fallback. If you select the option Mark slides translated with DeepL, the translated slides will be marked with a post-it. If the slide is not assigned to a translation group and DeepL is used as a fallback, the slide will not receive a post-it by default. Only when the option Mark slides translated with DeepL is activated, this becomes visible. If you select the Keep Original Slides option, the original slides will not be replaced, but the translated slides will be inserted. I now confirm my selection by clicking on OK. Then the slide I selected is translated with DeepL. Since it is not assigned to a translation group, DeepL was used as a fallback and translated with DeepL. In addition, the slide translated with DeepL was marked with a post-it, and the original slide was kept in the presentation. You can then delete the post-it manually. It is not automatically removed. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.